In today's electronics, the conventional Phillips screws and multi-spline screws are now often replaced with Torx screws. Such screws are not that easy to unscrew with the help of regular screwdrivers. It is actually even impossible using a cross-point screwdriver. You could try and go with a flat blade one and insert it diagonally. Sometimes this even works, but as a rule we break the screwdriver and overturn the thread. That's why it is only logical that we use special screwdrivers designed for such application. Those are called Torx-type screwdrivers. For instance, here we have a VTSET12 set, containing the most widespread range of Torx-type screwdrivers from number 5 to number 20. Such set would enable us to repair complex small electronics, like a hard drive, which, incidentally, doesn't have any other screws but the Torx ones. And the big screwdriver would also be useful in repairing bigger devices like teapots, where a Torx screws isn't often found. Such screwdrivers are very convenient in their applications. We can select a screwdriver of the required number, easily insert it into the screw, and screw it out. This takes neither time nor effort and helps achieve the right results. That's why specialized equipment should really be repaired with the right tools.